back to our channel where we talk about locks and keys and everything related to it. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss 4 main reasons why your Honda key won't crank your vehicle or the remote won't work. So let's get started. So the very first reason why your Honda key won't work is bad chip. And bad chip, it's very common problem because sometimes the key can get wet or being dropped many times, or the chip fell off completely. And if you have no chip or the chip is bad, it won't crank your vehicle. And if you for a fact know that your key has no chip, then you know your problem is not the key at all. The second reason is bad board. Every remoted head key has a green board inside of it, and if this board is damaged, then that can be a very possible reason that's why the key is not working. So how the board can actually get damaged is very common by getting wet or being dropped many times, or somebody messed with it and then they basically damaged the board. And if the board is damaged, the only way to fix it is by replacing the key. The third reason is programming. If your key has a chip, then it has to be programmed to the vehicle. So if you got a completely new key, so for sure you have to program this key. Where you can get it done? At the dealership or a local locksmith company, whichever works for you. If you already have a key that already worked for your vehicle and now it stopped working, maybe the key needs to be reprogrammed to the vehicle. Why this happening? There are many reasons why this can happen, but the very common that I found will be whether you change the battery on your vehicle or you done some mechanical work. If you done something like that, so most likely, and the key stopped working, you need to reprogram the key back to the vehicle. And the very last one, and the fourth reason why your Honda key won't work, is bad battery. And a lot of people won't think about this one, and it's actually very simple and very common reason why your remote or key won't work. And it's very simple, you just need to change the battery. So go ahead and check the battery, and I also have some videos below that you can check out on how to change the battery the right way. Sometimes people change the battery, it still won't work, but the error that they done, it's basically they just put the battery wrong way. That's it. Just go ahead and change the battery, and if after you change it, it's still not working, that's the time to go ahead and test all other options. And I hope this video is useful, and I hope you could solve your problem, and if not, then there are professionals that can help you, and it's either a dealership or a locksmith company. If you found this video useful, please like this video, click that ring bell button, and subscribe to our channel so you get notified when we come out with new videos. And for now, thank you for watching.